again, we want to teach on how to embed links, animations, and videos on Google Slide. When you have a presentation for your students, if you're using any of the Google tools for online teaching, then there could be times you give a presentation using Google Slide and you want to attach some animations. So that's exactly what we want to look at in this video. So let's go now. We're going to open our Google Slide, the school file. Okay, it's opening up, please. Now I want to choose this file. Okay, 4 ways teachers can make money with AI. Let me pick this particular. Now the file has opened. I need to click on it to start working on it. I will start editing. Now I click edit slide. It's okay. Now I can work on this. Now if I have something like this, I say okay. By using AI to create ebooks for sale, by using AI to create video contents for a faceless YouTube channel. Now I might say something like, I want to ask that you watch this video. Now let me click another slide. It's okay. Okay, now I might say watch this video. Watch, because I want to attach a link. Do you understand? Remember how we've been doing this? You can bold this, can increase the fonts by going to this place. Okay, watch this video. It's okay. Now I want to attach a video link to this. Just watch. Okay, one of the easiest way to do this is highlight this. Highlight this. If you don't highlight anything like this, it won't work. Now when you go to this, you see select all first, come back again, I see insert link, because that will be the link. Now what this video is a test, then link, you insert the link of a video you have. I took this video from YouTube, so I'm inserting the link, and having that, I'm going to click on this plus, tick up here. Now do you know what it means? Because this is a kind of hyperlink. Once someone click here, if you are watching through this now, okay, as I'm done now, I click on this. Just let's see. So if I'm a student and I'm going to the 4 ways teachers can make money with AI. 1, by using AI to create ebooks for sale. 2, by using AI to create video contents, this and that. And I go to this and I say, watch this video. Let me click on it. Open. You see where the system say open. Once you click on it, you're going to see open. Follow link. Click on open. The video automatically will open. Do you understand? So
my Midjourney subscription, because this AI does everything I need. I can upload my own videos.
If you're a virtual teacher and you're using something like this to teach your children, you can attach video links from any YouTube channel, or if you have one, whatever, it's a kind of a flipped classroom. Whatever thing you have taught, you want to attach in that particular link, maybe a video related to what you are teaching them on the presentation. You attach it so that they can watch it and continue their lessons. So that's exactly how it goes. You can see this video is on. Immediately they click on it, it opens up to what they're looking for. Now remember, it must not be a YouTube video. Sometimes it could be a video that is not even the YouTube. They can watch offline without spending data. It can be, but it must be in a link format. It can even be an image link. So anything link can go. It could be animation, it could be a video, it could be anything. So it's exactly how to add link to your presentation on Google Slide, part of your Google Tools Masterclass for educators. So I'm going to encourage you to join this class and learn everything about Google Tools and how to use it as a 21st century educator. If you are new to our channel, do it to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. And if it makes sense, give it a thumbs up. I'm going to stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.
The journey's the treasure, not just where